Okay, rule number 1, don't wake Mum.
And rule number 2, don't burn Dad's breakfast again.
No promises.
Listen to that sound. Dad calls this music.
He calls it Sunday happiness.
I call it dangerous. Look at them bubble. They're getting perfectly brown.
Yeah.
The smell is incredible. Golden on the outside, soft on the inside. Like
Mom.
and like this morning. Remember when Mom used to add extra butter?
Yeah.
She said, love needs butter. I believe her. Dad always says tomatoes make it healthy. He says that right before adding more bacon. Classic Dad. These beans smell like childhood.
Yeah. They smell like school holidays.
They smell like home.
Ready, Ann? Ready? Oops, too late. Mum's awake.
Yolks, perfect.
Dad likes them sunny.
Like him, but before coffee. Do you think they'll notice?
They always notice.
Yeah. Especially when we cook together.
You girls did all this?
It smells like my best memories.
Breakfast is ready.